Creating a database in Base. A database is defined as a place where you can store information. In a database, all the data is stored in the form of tables. When you launch OpenOffice Base, then the database wizard appears having options that allows you to create a database in Base. Follow the instructions and create the database. In this simulation, we will perform the steps to create a database in Base. The Save As dialog box appears. Press the Delete key. Type mydb in the file name text box. The mydb.odb database has been created.